Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is fractions. So in this one, we are going to see the examples on fractions, which are the like, unlike, and then comparing, then ascending, descending, and main is the addition, the subtraction, and the multiplication. We are going to see through the examples. In last video, we have seen all the, it's a lecture or conceptual part. Okay, so now the examples are here. The question number 1 is here. If the fraction 3 by 7 and 4 by 9 are converted to fractions with the same denominator. Same denominator means this is the like fraction. We have to convert it. Okay, means now both the denominator are different. Means this is the unlike fractions. Okay, this is the unlike fraction and we have to convert it to the like fractions. Then they can be written as, so after converting means we have to just convert before just converting their equivalent fractions. Okay, so means we have to make it their same denominator up to that stage. In option also the same are mentioning, means only the denominator of the both the as mentioned. Now here 3 by 7 and here 4 by 9, so both the denominator we have to make it same. Now 7 and the 9, so if we find out in the multiples of the 7 means 7, then 14, likewise means 21, and then 28, then 35, then 42, then 49, 56, and 63 likewise. So after the 9 also 9, 18, then 27, 36, 45, and then 54 and 63. Now here only the 63 is a number which is a least common multiple, means LCM. Below the 6 or 63 numbers, or we can say the smaller than the 63 number, there is no any multiples which can be common in between these two. Okay, so 63 is a LCM, or in another way we will do the directly multiplication of these two denominator. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 9, here the 7 is a prime number, so of course we have to do the directly multiplication, means that is a LCM comes. Okay, so this is also another way. Okay, so to save our time, so now here to make it this 63, we have to multiply this 7 multiply by 9. So if we multiply by this 9 to the 7, 63 is at the denominator comes. So 7 by 3, so it should be converted to the 63. So multiply by this 9. Okay, then only this 63 comes. So this 9 also same multiply by at the numerator also. So 3 multiply by 9 means 27. Okay, means 27 by 63, and 4 by 9 means 4 by 9 means here 9 to be converted to the 63 means we have to multiply this 7. So 7 multiplied by 9 means 63, and this 7 multiplied to the numerator also the same number. So 4 multiplied by 7 means it's a 28, and this 27 by 63 and 28 by 63 means option number 1 is the correct. Now question number 2, add 12 by 40 plus 13 by 40 plus 14 by 40 is equals to how much? Okay, so this is also the fraction. Now here all are the like fractions. How these are the like fractions? Because their denominator are the same number. Already we have seen this one. Okay, so the 40 keep it as it is. Okay, now all the this numerators addition we have to do, means 12 plus 13 plus 14, this addition we have to make and we have to write down here. So 4 plus 13 means 25, 25 plus 14 means 39. So it is a 39 by 40 means option number 1. Question number 3, 648 divided by 2017 plus 669 divided by 2017 plus 700 divided by 2017. Now here all the denominator are the same, means these are the like fractions. Okay, and addition of the like fractions means the denominator we have to keep it same as it is. Okay, 2017, then this numerators addition we have to keep it. Now in the same horizontal position we will make the additions. Okay, so unit 8 plus 9 17 plus 0, so 7 here, 1 carry in our mind. Okay, so that 1 plus now 10th position, so 1 plus this 4, and then this 6, and then this 0, so 1 plus this 4 5, 5 plus this 6 11, and plus this means 11, so 1 here and 1 keep it in mind. And now we are going to add for the hundreds place digits. Okay, so 1 plus this 6 is a 7 plus 13 plus this 7, 20. So this is a 20. So means 2017 divided by 2017, but means both the number are the same in denominator and the numerator. Means we can say 2017 vanza and 2017 vanza, means that is the 1 by 1, or we can say 1. Okay, both the numbers in denominator and the numerator same, means that is equal to the 1. Okay, so 1 is given in option number 3. So now question number 4. Now here question number 4, 1 by 55 plus 2 by 55 plus 3 by 55 plus 4 by 55 plus 5 by 55 plus 6 by 55 plus 7 by 55 plus 8 by 55 plus 9 by 55 plus 10 by 55, all are the like fractions because in a denominator there is a 55. So this 55 is kept as it is, and all are the additions. So all the numerators numbers we are going to add. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. We know, so addition of 1 to 10, 1 to 10 is 55. Already we have seen in the last video. Okay, now 55 divided by 55 means 1. Okay, so 1 is given in option number 3. Now question number 5, which will be suitable sign, means less than or greater than or equal in a given square boxes. Now here 4 by 7, then box, here 4 by 9, then box, and 24 by 54. So 24 by 54, both are the even, so there may be common factor. Okay, and we will reduce to the, so 24 by 54. Okay, so common 2 we can take it, but more than 2 is there in a number, so 4 number also there, means we can divide it by 4, or even 6 also. So 6 by, here 6 4s are 24 and 6 9s are, means we can say 4 by 9. This is the now reduced fraction. Okay, 24 by 54 to the here 4 by 9. How we have done? So we have taken the 6 from here and 6 from here also, means we have divided 6 to this one and 6 to this one, so then 4 by 9. So this is now comes to the 4 by 9. Now here also the 4 by 9 and here also the 4 by 9, means these are the two equal. So this sign we are making here equal sign. Now here the numerator 4 and numerator also 4, but denominator are the different one. And as per the rule, if the if the numerator are the equal, then comparison should be on the denominator basis, and the denominator which is a greater than that fraction is a smaller one, means these two fractions are smaller than this one, means this is a greater number. So greater ones, this one we will use. So this is a greater, 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 9 is equals to 4 by 9, and this is given in option number 4. So now question number 6, Samira brought one guava C8 3 by 8th, or we can say 3 by 8th part of it, then how much part of the guava is left? Okay, so one guava means one part. Okay, one we can write down like this one, or we can write down like this one, 1 by 1 also the same meaning. So from this one, C8 3 by 8 means this has to be take out. Okay, means this has to be subtracted from this one, means 3 by 8. Now 1 by 1 minus 3 by 8. Okay, so 1 and 8 are the inner denominator. So from this word problem, okay, so from this word problem we have converted this one to the mathematical operations. Okay, so always we do the same like this one, word problem has to understand first, then that one convert to the operation mode, means mathematical operation, and then this operation here, the subtraction is the operation, and this operation has to solve out. Now here 1 and 8, 1 multiplied by 8 is a 8. Okay, so here also multiply by 8 and here also multiply by 8, then here 8 will come. So okay, 8 then 8 minus 3 by 8. Okay, now both the denominator are the same. Now these two are the now like fractions. Okay, so we can do the subtraction. So 8 and 8 here, so 8 keep it as it is. Now 8 minus this 3, 8 minus this 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 means 5 by 8, and 5 by 8 is given in option number 1. So what is the balance? Now how much part of the guava is left? So that is a 5 by 8. This is the answer. Now question number 7, some shaded portions of from the 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5, and after this one the total 3 parts, so 3 out of 5, so 3 out of 5 means 3 by 5 plus 1 by 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 by 3. So this has the given, so from the this picture, or we can say the image, okay, so there are the total how much part, 1 2 3 4 5. Out of the 5, one part is shaded, okay, so that's why add the fraction indicating colored portion. Color means this shaded, okay, we can say this is the colored, okay, here also something colored, okay, for the shaded. So this is the 5, and out of that one how much the shaded, 3. Here the total 5 means whole things are the 5, and out of this one the 1 is shaded. Now this is the addition, so 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3, sorry, 1 by 5. So denominator are the same, means this is a like fraction, so denominator keep it as it is 5. 3 plus 1 means this is the 4, so 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 8, subtract 23 by 40 minus 20 by 40. Now here the denominator 40 and here also 40 means 40 keep it as it is, then 23 minus 12, so means 23 minus 12, this has to be, we have to carry out this operation. To 23 minus 12 means there is a 11, and the 40 keep it as it is, so 11 by 40 means option number 2. Now question number 9, 4 by 7 plus 8 by 3. Now here 7 and here 3 means both the denominator are the different, so we have to keep it the denominator first equal, okay, so 4 by 7, okay, so here the 8 by 7 plus 8 by, sorry, 8 by 3 is here, not a 7. So the cross multiplication like this one, and then here the sign, and then cross multiplication like this one, the like a Marathi 4, okay, so 4 by 4 multiplied by 3 in a bracket, then sign is here plus another bracket, this 7 by 8, or we can say 7 multiplied by 8, then this 2 multiplication 7 multiplied by 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12 plus 7 multiplied by 8 is a 56 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 is a, here the 21, so 12 plus 56, here the 68, and divided by 21, so 68 divided by 21 is given in option number 3. Now question number 10, 67 divided by 250 minus 17 divided by 250. Now both having the same denominator, so keep it as 250 as it is, okay, then the numerators here 67 minus this 17, okay, so 67 minus 17 means 50 divided by 250, okay, so this is the way, or we can reduce. So this 0 gone, 5 ones and 5 5s are 25. So this is a 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 11. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to how much? Now here all the denominator are the different one. So first of all we have to take out, we have to find out the LCM. So to find out the LCM of the 2, then 3 and 4, okay, so 2, then 3 and the 4, so multiples of 2, multiples of the 3, and multiples of 4 we will take out. Okay, 2 multiples of 2 4 is the multiples of 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, likewise, okay, then 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, then 18, then 21, 24, 27, 30, likewise, then 4 4 1 are 4 2 are 4 3 are, then here 16, then 20, 24, then 28, then 32, likewise, okay. So now here which is the common? Now here first of all we will see the any common here, 4 not 6, not here 8 also, not here 10 also, yes 12 is we are getting the common here, here and here, which is the least one, okay, so this is the least one, common one, and the multiple also, so that's why this is called the LCM, okay. So now come to the point. Now here 12 we have to maintain, so 1 by 2, okay, 1 by 2 plus here 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Now we have to make it here 12, here also 12, and here also 12, means 1 by here 2 multiply by 6 we have to do, so same 6 we have to multiply in the numerator also, plus here also for making the 12 we have to multiply by this 3 to the 4, okay, so 3 4 the 12, and this 4 multiply we have to in numerator also, so this 2 as it is, and then multiply by this 4, plus here 4 we have to convert to the 12, means 4 threes are, so we have to multiply by 3, so this 3 should be multiple to the numerator, so this numerator 3 is here, and multiply by this 3 here, okay. So 6 multiply by 1 is a 6. Now this is a 6 divided by 12 plus 2 4 the 8 by 12 plus 3 3 is a 9 by 12. Now denominator are the same, so we will keep the denominator same as it is, only the numerators addition we have to do. So 6 plus 8 plus 9, so 6 plus 8 is a 14 plus 9 is a 23 by 12. So 23 by 12 is given in option number 2. So this is the correct one. Now question number 12, find the largest fraction among the 12 by 25, then 18 by 50, then 9 by 20 and 4 by 5. So to make the comparison in between this one, either we have to do the numerator same or the denominator same. So best the simple way is the making the denominator the same. So now here the 25 and then 50 and the 20 and the here 5. So which is the common in between this one, the multiples which can be comes in 25 multiples, 50 also, 20 also, 5, which should be the least. So there is a 100 is the number which can be comes in a 25 also, 50 also and 20 also. So to bring here 100 we have to multiply this by 4, so same 4 should be multiplied here. Okay, so 12, so to bring here 100 and here we have to multiply by this 4, and same this 4 multiply to the numerator also. Okay, then for the 50 to the convert to the 100 means 50 multiply by this 2, and this 2 should be multiple in a numerator also, means 18 by 2. Next one is the 9 by 20, so this 20 should be converted to the 100, so to convert 100 multiply by 5, and then see this same 5 should be multiplied in a numerator also. Or then 4 by 5, so 5 to be converted to the 100 means multiply by this 20, and this 20 should be multiplied to the numerator also. Now all having the denominator as 100. Okay, this 100, this is also 100, this is also 100, and this is also 100. Okay, so now only the numerator we have to find out. So 12 for the here the 48 divided by 100, then 18 2s are 36 divided by 100, then 9 5s are 45 divided by 100, and then 420 4 multiplied by 20 means 80 divided by 100. Now in this one all the denominator are the same, means we have to compare on a numerator basis. So numerator's number is greater means that fraction is a greater, and in our question asking find the largest fraction. So largest means the bigger, or we can say the number which is the largest one, or we can say the bigger number. So 80 is a bigger means this fraction is a greater, and this fraction means 4 by 5, because this 4 by 5 having the same here also. This is the equivalent of this 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is given in option number 4. Now question number 13, 1 and then 1 by 2, then 1 by 4 and then 3 by 4. Find the difference between smallest and the biggest fraction. So now smallest and the biggest fraction. First of all we have to make a comparison which is the smallest and which is the greatest. Okay, so 1 means 1 by 1. Okay, 1 means 1 by 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 4, then 3 by 4. So this 2 has to convert to the 4, because here also 4, here also 4, and that can be having the multiples 4 also. So here we have to multiply by this 2, and this 2 multiplication same we have to do in numerator also. Now 1 has to convert to the 4 means here multiplication by 4, and this multiplication of 4 also multiply in a numerator. So now 1 multiplied by 4 means 4, so 4 by 4, then here the 2, then by 4. Okay, then 1 by 4 and then 3 by 4. So now all having the 4 in denominator, so now we can best comparison. So now we have to find out the difference. For that one, smallest and the biggest fraction we have to choose which is the smallest. Now the number which is the smallest in the numerator, that is the smallest, because the denominator number are the same. Now here 1 is the smallest one, so this is the smallest, so I am just write down here the s smallest, which is the bigger. Now here the 4 is the bigger, so that's why this is the bigger one, and we have to find out the difference. So 4 by 4 and 1 by 4. So now 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4, so this is the bigger, so that's why this fraction I kept it here, and this is smaller, so that's why this is subtracted from here, bigger one. Okay, so now denominator are the same, so 4 keep it as it is. Now 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1 means 3, and the denominator same, so 3 by 4, and this 3 by 4 is given in option number 1. Now question number 14. For the following fractions, identify their ascending order. So as for ascending order, we have to make a comparison on their denominator and the numerator also. But if you see all having the 7 at their denominator, means we have to make the comparison on the numerator only, and the numerator number is greater, means that fraction is the greater. Numerator number is the smaller, means that fraction is the smaller one. Now ascending means we have to choose first smaller one. Ascending means smaller to the bigger or greater one. So which is smaller, just we will make the numbering. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, so there are the 5 fractions, so we will make the numbering from 1 to 5. So this one is the smaller, so this is the first. Okay, after this one, which is the number in between this one smaller, so 5 is the smaller, so this is the number 2 in order of the ascending order. After this one, 12 15 and 7, which is the smaller, 7 is the fraction smaller, so this is the in order of the ascending order number 3. After this one, the 12 means 4, and the 5 is the 15 is the bigger, so this is the 5. So first 1 by 7 here also given, here not given, here also given, so means option number 3 and 2 is incorrect, only option number 4 and 1. So then after this one, 5 by 7, so 5 by 7 here also given and here also given. After this one, 7 by 7 means order number 3, so here 7 by 7 given, here 12 by 7 given, so this is incorrectly. Now only the option number 1. After this one, the 12 by 7 on a number on the order number 4, and then 15 by 7, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 15. For the following fractions, identify their descending order. So descending means we can say the greater to the smaller, okay, or we can say the bigger number toward the smaller number. That order we have to maintain. So first we have to find out the greatest one. Now if we compare all the denominator are 8, or means we can say the same. Okay, so if the denominator are the same, the comparison should be on the numerator basis, and the numerator which is greater, that is the greater fraction, and first we have to find out the greater one. So this is in a descending order, this is the first number, means 11 by 8, because 11 is a greater. After the 11, 7 is a greater, so this is a number 2. After 7 there is a 4 is a greater one, so this is a 3, and then 3 by 8 is the fourth order, and then 1 by 8 is the fifth order. So first one is the 11 by 8, and 11 by 8 is given in option number 2. Option number 3, 1 having the 1 by 8, so this is incorrectly, and 4 also having the 1 by 8, so this is also incorrectly. Okay, so this order we have to maintain, so that's why this should be in a first. After this one, though, 7 means 7 by 8, and this is given correctly, and here also 7 by 8 given. After this one, the third number 4 by 8 is given, 4 by 8 is here given correctly, here also correctly given. After this one, the 3 by 8, okay, but here 1 by 8 given, so this is wrong one. Here 3 by 8 is, this is correct one, so option number 2 is incorrectly, only the option number 3 is there, and at the last one is the 1 by 8, and this is the 1 by 8, so option number 3 is the correctly as per the descending order of this one. Now question number 16. How many times 2 by 10 to be added to 2 by 10 to obtain the addition as 2? By adding the 2 by 10 to 2 by 10, but that should be how much times? Okay, so this to be how much time we don't know, so just we can say is equals to 2. Now if we are converting this 2 to the 2 in a denominator of the 10, then we can say how many times. Okay, so now this 2 means 2 by 1, okay, and that has to convert to the something in a 10 in a denominator. Okay, to convert the 10 in a denominator, here the multiplication should be 10, so same multiplication in numerator also, so means 2 by 10, so here should be 20, means the answer should be 20 by 10, then only we can say the means the additions. Okay, means 2. Of course 20 by 10 means the 2. So this 20 by 10 when comes means 2 should be added up to the 20. 2 adding the how many times, then only the we are getting the 20 means 2 multiply by 10 means 2 multiply by 10 we have to add, or we can say multiply by 10, then only we can say if their answer is 20 by 10, or we can say the 2. Okay, so means the answer is that should be added to the 10 times or multiply by 10. Addition of the multiples of this one means times. Okay, means that is the same as the multiplications, and that the answer is the 10. Answer is 10 is given in option number 4. Now question number 17, what is the 2 by 7th of 21? Means 2 by 7th of 21 means multiplication of the 21. So now 21 2s are 42 by 7, or we can say 7 1s and 7 3s are also we can do, and then 2 3s are 6, or we can say here 7 1s are and 7 6s are. Okay, so the answer is 6, and 6 is given in option number 4. Now question number 18, what is the 5 by 6th of 12? So 5 by 6th of 12 means multiplication of the 12. So we will do the multiplication of this one, or we can do directly here the division. So 6 1s and 6 2s are 12. So now 5 2s are 10. 10 comes in option number 1. Now question number 19, 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 3. So here the multiplication means numerator and the denominator we can directly do the multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 10 here, 2 multiplied by 5 means 10, and 7 multiplied by 3 means 21. So mean 10 by 21, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 20, 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 5 is equal to how much? So all are the multiplication means we have to do the directly multiplication of the numerator separately, means 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4, and then divided by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. But there is no common factor. So 2 multiplied by 1 is a 2, and multiplied by 4 means 8. Then in a denominator 3 multiplied by 5 is a 15 multiplied by 5 means 75. So the answer is 8 by 75 means option number 3. So these are the questions, or we can say the examples on our topic fractions, which are the on a subtopic of the number 15 and the number 16. Thank you.